Welcome to Linux for You. My name is Sushil Sharma. So today we will learn an interesting skill how to convert a Podman Bootc container image into the virtual machine that can run in the VMware, right? So you can run this virtual machine in the VMware-ESI or VMsphere, right? So how to do that? That interesting skill of Linux admin. So let's go to the Red Hat 10 lab and doing this labs. Before that, I'm requesting you to subscribe my channel and like the video so that my new video not miss to you, right? And please donate to my this QR code or given number so that we can create such kind of the videos for scholars and admins, right? For you also. So let's go to the lab. So first creating a directory and creating a container file. So mkdir RHEL. So this directory I have created, and after that you have to go inside this directory after creating cd RHEL, and now you have to create a container file, sudo vim container file. So you have to create this file in this directory, and now I have added some statements here. So we are taking the RHEL bootc image, setting the root password, and creating a custom file inside the etc directory so that we can verify that it is our image, right? So this image we are going to build, right? So I'm adding a one more line here. Linux for you. So it is my Linux for you custom image, right? So this way we added these lines into this file and saving this file, right? So before building this container, building the image using this container file, you have to log into the registry of Red Hat, right? So how to log in? Sudo podman login registry.redhat.in. If you don't have a ID password of this registry, you need to go to the developers.redhat.com and make your ID password there, developers.redhat.com, right? And now you have to log in. See, just a moment, one spelling mistake, sudo podman. So already I have logged in, right? So I did not enter the password because already I have logged in, right? So you have to run this command, right? Otherwise you are not able to build the image. So after running this command and successful authenticating my ID password, I am building the podman image, right? So sudo podman build -t, and which in image you want to, you can build it, right? So I'm building the image with the name Linux for you, right? So it will be my image name. So this image I am building, see the command carefully, my image name. So through podman you are building this image. So remember, you have to log into registry.redhat.io first, then you can do that, right? So it may take some time, and after that we will go ahead. Now you can see the image building has been done, right? So after the image building, we are going ahead and showing you that the image is where. So first see the image, sudo podman images. So here you can see this is my image I have built. So localhost /Linux for you, right? So this image we will use and convert into the VMware virtual machine related VMDK disk, right? So let's go ahead. Now create the directory with the name output where my VMDK disk image will be generated. So creating directory output, right? So with the help of sudo, use sudo. So output directory is created, and now we are running the command. So this command you will run to create the image. So this image will be created in the output directory, right? So here you can see it is my image name I have taken. So this command is this, right? From sudo. So this is the whole command. You can see this is the command. So it may take 15 to 20 minutes to create this image, right? So we will have an image in VMDK disk image, a hard disk image that is related to the VMware related virtual software, right? So after creating the image, I will show you that where it is created, right? For your easy visibility, I have shown you the command, right? So my image name was linuxforyou.latest, right? So this image is basically going to build a disk that is added to the VMware virtual machine. So VMDK disk file will be created by this image. So you can note down the command from here and run this command easily, right? So pause the video and note down this command and run, right? So I hope you are able to record it. So you can pause the video here. Now you can see the image has been built, right? And now I'm showing you that where is your image. So see the image where it is created that can be used in VMware, right? So right now I am in the RHEL directory. So see ls output, and you are finding the VMDK directory here. So if you are finding here ls -lh, so showing you the space of size of this file, output and VMDK. So you are finding your disk that can be used in VMware. So I converted the Bootc container Podman image into the VMware VMDK disk, hard disk. So it is like a hard disk of your virtual machine, but you cannot use it. You have to convert it to the VMware style image, right? So it is an important step. See it carefully, otherwise you are not able to use it, right? So see which path you have to go and what you need to do with this VMware VMDK disk image. Now open the CMD in Windows in your main machine and create a directory mkdir iso. Going inside this directory iso, and you have to copy that VMDK disk image that I have created in my virtual machine to the main Windows machine. How? With the use of SCP. So SCP and your username, what may be the username of your Red Hat machine where your disk image is there, and the IP address of your virtual machine where you created your image. So it is my virtual machine IP, and where it is you have to note down. So it is my path RHEL output VMDK, and the file name is disk.vmdk space dot. So through SCP you have to copy that VMDK disk image to the main machine. Enter the ID password of this user and the file will be copied to your main machine, right? So let's correct this command. Now see the command, and I have copied my disk to the main machine, right? So this disk is about to copy from your virtual machine, Red Hat virtual machine, to your main Windows. In which directory? In ISO directory, right? So this way I have copied my disk to my virtual machine, right? So verify it by the command dir. So here the image is copied, your hard disk image is copied, right? So now we will convert it so that we can use it in VMware, right? So how it will be converted, see it carefully. Now first go inside this directory in Windows where your VMware is installed. So inside this directory you have to go, and then you have to run an important command that will convert this image to the required image that can be used in the VMware, right? Now see this command carefully. VMware -v disk manager -r, your path of the VMDK, and you are converting this into this file, flattened output.vmdk. So this file you have to use, flattened output vmdk, you have to use in VMware as a virtual machine hard disk, right? So you are going to convert it, so it may take some time, right? Now see, conversion is successful, right? So conversion is successful and you are getting a right image that you can use in VMware. So let's showing you that you have a right image. So CD ISO and dir. So here it is the image you are getting in Windows. Now you can create the virtual machine and use this file as a VMware hard disk, right? So if you don't know how to use this, then I'm showing you, right? Now you can see in the VMware you have to create a new virtual machine, right? And you have to click on typical, next, select the option I will install the operating system later and Linux version. After that you can give the name, any name you can give. So I'm giving here the name my new VM, right? So I'm giving the name my new VM, and now I'm selecting the path because I want to place this in the D drive. You don't need to do this thing. Next, hard disk space 20 GB, store virtual disk as a single file, next, and finish, right? So you have to take care of. Now edit the virtual machine setting carefully. So see the settings carefully, that how you can do the settings. So in display, remove accelerate 3D graphics, network adapter bridge or replicate, and remove this hard disk, right? This hard disk is not required. In options you have to go to advanced and select UEFI, right? Now go back and add the hard disk that you created. So click on add hard disk, next, and select the NVMe that is recommended. Use an existing virtual disk, next, and browse and select your directory ISO, and now select this file flattened output vmdk and then finish. Now click on convert and then OK. Now you are go. So after doing this, power on this virtual machine and enjoy your new virtual VM, right? Click on no. So now this is your full-fledged OS from the Bootc image. Now you can see this image is booting now. So this way we have converted our Bootc Podman image, container image, into the VMDK file, which can be used for converting the VMware style virtual machine and can be used in the VMware VXXI and in EXI and the vSphere also, right? So this is the new VM that I have generated from the conversion. So I hope you are liking this video. So it's an important skill to have for Linux admin. So if you are liking my channel, please subscribe my channel and like the video and donate any amount to this QR code or the given number. Thank you very much for watching this video.